So, hello students, we are studying plant growth promoters and plant growth promoters. We have studied two plant hormones, auxins and gibberellins. Next hormone is cytokinins. Here cyto means cell and kinesis mean division. So this hormone promotes cell division. Promotes cell division. This hormone was invented by Skoog and Miller. Skoog and Miller. Skoog and Miller invented this plant growth regulator. Now, little history how they produced the hormone. Skoog et al. When they study about the tissue culture, they studied tissue culture, and in the tissue culture they kept agar agar medium. It took agar agar plus auxins plus plant growth hormone, that is auxin, plus yeast extract plus coconut water means milk, what we are asking. And he kept the cell of potato pith. Potato pith. Potato pith kept, and he observed there is a rapid division of the cell. There is rapid cell division. He observed rapid cell division. Rapid cell division. By rapid cell division, they producing chylus. They producing chylus, and chylus, from chylus they are getting plant. So here he was knowing that agar that is auxin. This auxin is growth promoter. This auxin promote the cell division, but here cell division is the rapid cell division. He thought that some substance is there which is responsible for the rapid cell division. Yet he was knowing that auxin promotes this cell division, but here cell division was very fast, rapid cell division. Then he thought that some substance which is secreted by these things are responsible for this rapid cell division, but he was not able to identify the substance which was responsible for the rapid cell division. Later, Miller took the DNA from sperm of herring fish. He took the DNA from herring fish, and DNA he took, and he found rate of the replication was very fast, rate of the replication, found very fast rate of the replication. This was the DNA from the autoclave herring fish, or DNA from the sperm of the herring fish, and he observed that the rate of the replication was very fast. Then he found that there is a substance and which was the responsible, a name given as the kinetin, given name as the kinetin, and later it was asked at the cytokinin. It was as the cytokinin, given as the cytokinin. Then some plants cytokinin is not, or kinetin is not found in the plant cell. Later, some plants having also chitin like substance observed, like the milk of, or the coconut milk, and maize seed, maize immature seed. Maize immature seed, it was found, and since it is obtained from the maize seed, and maize seed, you know that name is the Gia maize, that is why name given as the Giatin, name given as the Giatin, name given as the Giatin, since it is obtained from the Gia maize, that is why name given as the Giatin. So now, where these hormones are found in the plants, so we have to discuss about the location of location of cytokinin. And these are found in the plants having rapid cell division. It is found in the plants having the region of the plants, a region of plant having rapid cell division, like root apex, shoot apex, and young leaves, buds, and young fruits. So these are the regions where oxygens are found. Now we have to see about the function of oxygens. Functions, we have to study about the functions. Function of cytokinin. What function? First function is, this is very important, that is cell division. First function is cell division. Cell, as we have discussed in beginning, that it promotes cell division. Now next function we have to see that one is the cell, next one cell enlargement and differentiation. Difference, this is also function. We have studied in tissue culture. In tissue culture, we have studied in lesson differentiation. Suppose this is chylus, this is chylus. If in the chylus both arginine plus cytokinin, arginine plus, both amounts are equal, then cell division takes place. Then cell division, the cell divides, and when cell division is completed, chylus formation takes place. Then we increase the amount of oxygen. If amount of oxygen is more than cytokinin, if the amount of oxygen is more than cytokinin, then differentiation of root takes place. Then differentiation of in the root takes place. And the if cytokinin is more than oxygen, then differentiation of shoot takes place. So in this way it helps in the differentiation. So in the tissue culture, if amount of oxygen and the cytokine both are equal, then only they divide to produce the chylus. They divide to produce the chylus, and after chylus formation takes place, we increase the amount of the oxygen, and if amount of oxygen is more than the amount of the cytokinin, then differentiation of the root takes place. And if the amount of cytokinin is more than oxygen, then differentiation of shoot takes place. So this one function is there, differentiation. And next one is leaf formation. Next one is formation of the leaves, young leaf formation. Leaf formation. So if it helps in the formation of leaf, you know that this is the, suppose the system and these are nodes, and these nodes, the more cell division is takes place, and in cell division is more, so they produce in the leaf bud, and that differentiates into the leaf. Next one, the chlorophyll. Chloroplast formation. In the chloroplast formation, you know very well about the leaves having the chloroplast, and these chloroplasts make the food for the plant. So these divides in the cell. You have studied that two parts, two cell organelles, mitochondria and plastids, means chloroplast. These are autonomous, semi-autonomous. They can divide itself. So chloroplast divides to produce a large number of the chloroplast. Chloroplast will be more than chlorophyll amount will be more, and they will produce more food by the process of the photosynthesis. So they help in the chloroplast formation. And next function, they help in the formation of interfascicular cambium. Interfascicular cambium. They help in the, since they involve into the division, so they are responsible for the formation of the interfascicular cambium. And one more important function is there, they delay aging. And one more, many functions are there. Delay aging. They delay aging. This is very important feature, and by the oxygen, if vegetables and fruits are there, if we spray the cytokinin, they remain fresh for a long time. So farmers use the cytokinin to keep the vegetables fresh for a long time. And one word is there, that is the cytokinins. Cytokinin, uh, the effect of cytokinin, in retarding aging. The this is very important, the effect of cytokinin in retarding aging is called Richmond-Lang effect. Is called, very important term, Richmond-Lang effect. This is very important term. So the effect of cytokinin in retarding aging in plants, you can write aging in plants is called Richmond-Lang effect. And more important function is there. This what is the prevent the, that is when the overcome apical dominance. This is very important function is there. We can write here, I think we can write here, overcome apical dominance. Apical dominance. You know that auxin suppress, retards the growth of lateral buds, but this hormones cytokinin promotes the growth of lateral buds or lateral branches. So in this way its function is just opposite in this relation. Auxin suppress or retard the growth of lateral branch, while cytokinin induces the growth of lateral branches. So that's for today. Thank you.